Hey everyone, I'm Lori from Lori's Country Cottage, and I've got some great Hump Day deals for you, so stay tuned. The first deal we've got is our clearance fabric. It went very well last time, and the surprise bundles were great. So we're going to try again. This time I'm going to give you more selections, and yes, they will be one meter of each color, 5 different pieces for $40. They will be random, but yes, they're nice and in order now. And so if the girls can find exactly which piece you wanted, that's an option. Otherwise, a surprise is a surprise. And it's 5 1-yard pieces for $40. Some great pieces in there. What about batiks? There's a few more there. So again, 5 random 1 meter pieces for $40. So we've got some great deals here on kits. And so if it is that you're thinking that, that pattern's not really for me, there still is a lot of fabric in there in some of these kits for a great deal. So a lot of these are just 1s and 2s. This is a 1. It's actually a block of the month that we ran. Makes a 72 by 90 inch quilt, and it was $474.99 for $240. Great deal. Okay, what have we got here? Wish upon a star. There's a star in the middle there. I guess you can see that. There is there's 2 kits like this with the white background, 1 with the dark background. Oh, I lied. There's 3 with the light background. How many of you remember the Walmart blue, was it Walmart? Was it Kmart? Blue light special? That's what we have here today. $40. These kits were $94.99. That is a 40 by 40 kit. Each kit has, now, what do we call these? How come I can't remember? Sweet rolls? 1.5 inch strips? Okay, this one here is a fun kids quilt. Very simple kids quilt. And the applique on all of these are pre-cut and pre-fused. So this is what kind of thing you're going to get. The fusible is on the back. All you do is score it with a pin, take that off, and you can iron it right on to your kit, right onto your quilt. So back to the first one, Yin Yang Squared is 41 by 52, and the little monkeys here are applique pieces that are already cut and pre-fused. That kit was $124.99 for $60. Friends and neighbors, this pretty little pillow here is a 14 by 12 inch pillow. It has everything in there, including the backing and the pattern is for the others as well. It was $44.99, our blue light special, for $15. Now moving on to this guy. This is Count on Me, a great children's quilt, 39 by 52 inches. It was $104.99, blue light special, $45. This includes a panel with the letter or the numbers on it. So it's a great teaching panel, great children's quilt. Again, from $104.99 for $45. Sprockets. This one here with the blue dot on it matches my Blue Light Special. It is 27 by 51 inches with the trucks on it. The trucks are applique and the pieces are all pre-cut and pre-fused. It was $104.99 on for $60. Here's another pretty applique. The same thing. It's for this table runner here with the dot on it. It's 19 by 70 inches, a great size for your dining room table. And it was $104.99 for $65. This includes the pattern. The pattern has the applique pieces in it so that you can trace them if you wanted to reuse the pattern. The last kit we have like this is this little table topper. It's a little hard to see through the plastic, but you got the idea. It's 37-inch square. It was $114.99 and it's on for $50. And remember, it comes with the pattern and the applique pieces. Applique pieces are all fused and cut, ready to be stuck onto your quilt. Adhered, not stuck. I know I'm going to hear about that one. This is the Mariner's Compass Midnight Flower Dance. It's actually a big Christmas tree, and there's lots of fabric in here. It comes up to what size? 45 by 60. It was $279.99. Blue Light Special for $125. Now we have two kits of that one. That was $279 for $125. The colors in this are beautiful. So if you're not interested in the quilt, the fabrics are delicious. This one here is Diamond Detour. Again, it is a large quilt, 84 by 99. It was $284.99 for Blue Light Special, $150. A sassafras lane pattern. Now remember that all of these come with the patterns, so the pattern is included. This one here is Fresh Off the Vine postcards. It's a pretty pattern by Doug Lecco of Antler Quilt Design. It's 11 by 36. We have two of them, and they are done in that fabric, in the purple. They're both the same. They were $62.99, and they are on for $35. Another kit we've got here. These are cut or fused and cut. They have a little piece in here that needs to be cut. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. That needs to be cut, and then it's ready to be adhered into your fabric. These are great baby quilts. And all of the applique are in here. All you need is the background and the backgrounds of each of your colors so you can customize them. This was $124.99. There's 3 kits for 9 blocks, and they are Blue Light Special for $50. So there's some great savings here. This makes a 46 by 64 inch quilt, and it is the applique pieces only for each of the babies. This way you can customize it. Then we have some 10-inch squares. There's 2 of those, and then 1 of each of these, and they are $30 each. Great savings from $60. So we've got some great deals here. Just give you one more little look here. And you can always watch this later. It'll come out at 3 o'clock in your email. So you can see it again, or you can watch it once Facebook finishes with it. And you can see everything again. It's first come, first serve. Very, very limited numbers. So please call the store, 780-464-9697. Possibly some of these are on the website, but the pricing, the blue light pricing, is on our Hump Day deals only. So give us a call. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow when we feed your passion.